Hot topic of the day, up-and-coming model Monika is set to make her Fashion Week debut this coming weekend.
Monika, you look beautiful.
Monika Bola is changing the game.
What are you wearing?
Monika Bola is the hottest model out there right now. Monika Bola.
Oh my god, I love Monika.
Monika, how does it feel to be walking in your first fashion week?
It's crazy. It's like a dream come true.
What advice do you have for young models in the industry?
As cliche as it is, dream big, because nothing is impossible. If I can go from working a mundane retail job to walking a different runway every week, you can literally do anything. And take every opportunity that comes your way, especially the little ones, because you learn the most from your first gigs.
Thank you, Monika. You look beautiful. Can you smile for us?
Yeah, of course.
Monika, look over here.
Monika, girl, you pressed that like 10 times. I think they'll get it.
Shit, sorry, I didn't notice.
What's wrong? Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, just daydreaming.
About what?
It's nothing.
Yeah, okay.
It's just stupid.
You don't have to talk about it if you don't want to.
I talk about it too much, honestly.
Are you gonna tell us, or...?
This time last year I was on a runway.
Monika, you're not gonna be able to work forever. It's just temporary.
It's been pretty long to me.
When was the last time you even modeled?
I don't even remember, to be honest.
Don't make yourself upset. When the time is right, it'll happen.
You're right.
Anyway, I don't know what I should get for break. I don't want anything too greasy because I literally just ate out yesterday, but I did bring a lunch, so I need to buy something. Like, I don't want McDonald's, I don't want Subway. I don't know, maybe I'll get Chinese. Not even gonna let me pose?
What was that for?
I'm jumpstarting your modeling career.
Funny.
Josie asked who's working.
Hey, can you guys do a garbage run?
Why can't you do it?
Okay, well, Adam asked me to tell you guys to do it.
Fine.
Oh, while you're at it, do the cardboard.
No.
Oh, Nina, can you just do it for me? Go ahead.
Do you think I should just move on?
What? Monika, no.
Some of the girls I know are already working again. What if they're just using this as a way to get rid of me?
I think they just would have fired you.
It doesn't really work like that.
You need to just give it time.
It's just so hard. It makes me feel like I worked for nothing.
Why don't you just be an Instagram model?
It's a lot harder than you think.
You take selfies all day. How difficult could that be?
For real? This feels like a sign.
Is that you?
Yep. It used to be hanging in the store.
Never noticed.
It's over.
Why don't you take it home?
It's whatever. I didn't really like this picture anyways.
Even in 6-inch heels, you'll never be on my level.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend, but men prefer crystal.
If you're gonna be two-faced, make at least one of them rich.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Did you hear that Crystal invited Midas to lunch?
Oh God, why?
Crystal and Midas are like the definition of frenemies, but very light on the front part. I think she wants to fix things before her wine tasting.
I thought she didn't invite him.
Not yet. I mean, I don't particularly have any problem with Midas yet.
I think this is like their 6th makeup. They're like siblings.
Whatever makes him happy, it won't last.
Dear Monika, greetings, beautiful. Let us start off by saying we are big fans. We have been following your journey and would like to offer you a contract with our agency. You are exactly what we are looking for. Below, we've attached a digital contract as well as a few requirements for joining our team. We hope you choose to take our offer. Love, the Prowl Agency team.
I've been meaning to ask. Who's your plastic surgeon?
I organized this lunch because I want to patch things up with Midas again. I'm doing this solely for the better of the group and less for the fact that I want to be Midas's friend. You look amazing. I love this.
You look so cute.
These look like passport photos.
This is what they asked for.
Couldn't you have just submitted something from your portfolio?
I was going to, but then when I looked on the contract, it specifically asked for photos like this. It's weird, right?
Yeah, but it's not that weird. Everyone's photos are so edited, they probably just want to see what you naturally look like.
Yeah, I guess. But when I Googled the agency and looked at their website, their catalog was all white girls, all brunette. They literally all look the same. I don't really fit their demographic.
Maybe they just need to hit their diversity quota. Did you read this fully?
Not yet. Why?
As a part of our catalog, we promise you a minimum of 9 photo ad campaigns and 4 video advertisements. Your monthly earnings can go as high as $17,000.
Holy shit, 17,000?
That's listed as the highest you can make.
Maybe I shouldn't take the offer.
What?
I haven't been working for so long. Maybe I should just move on.
No, this is what you've always wanted.
Yeah, and I had it for a while, but maybe I should just do something more practical.
Ew, why?
Because now I know how easy it is to lose work, and I don't want to go through that again.
Yeah, but you can't just throw it all away. You've worked so hard, and I've never seen you happier than when you're modeling. I think you should sleep on this offer and decide in the morning. It's a lot to think about.
Yeah, you're right. Can we just finish these? I really want to continue the new episode.
You started it without me?
I'm sorry, I couldn't wait.
I'm gonna throw this phone at you.
I was gonna restart it with you and just pretend like I didn't already watch half of it.
Bitch!
You owe me. I took your shift so you didn't have to work with Vivian.
Yeah, now turn for your mugshot.
Funny. Why did you ask Vivian who was working if you knew I was there?
She asked me why I wasn't working, and she started a conversation, so I just went along with it.
Can you send me the photo she took?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's finish this.
Category is inmate.
Actually, yes. But I can't reveal that right now.
Yes, Monica Bola, yes.
Monica, you're in the episode.
What?
Come here, rewind.
So, how's your line going?
It's definitely going.
What are you talking about? What are they?
I know you're struggling.
Actually, yes. But I can't reveal that right now. Only the models know.
Oh, models already? What about that one girl you liked from Fashion Week?
What was her name?
Monica?
Yes, Monica Bola, yes.
Monica Bola. Monica.
Midas is full of shit. I don't believe he's reached out to anyone. The only way he gets people to work with him is that or literally forcing them.
Team Crystal.
That's insane.
What, you like Midas?
No, not that. They know who I am. They want to work with me.
Because you're good at what you do. But don't listen to me. Listen to them.
You know what? You're right.
It's not a real apology.
You owe me an apology as well. Come on, you've said way worse things than I have.
Monica's officially back in business.
Oh, that reminds me. I'm having a small lunch party next week with the girls for my new business venture. I'm launching a rosé brand.
Oh, that's amazing.
I'd love it if you could be there.
I wouldn't miss it.
Excuse me, when did you guys get these?
Just now, actually. Is there something I can help you with?
No, that's actually me on the bottle.
Oh. I don't see it.
Hey, sorry, customers aren't allowed back here.
Funny, Adam.
Sorry, have we met?
Very funny. Oh, actually, my employee number didn't work. Can you just clock me in manually?
Oh, are you a new hire?
What? No. Is this some kind of prank?
Sorry for the confusion. What did you say your name was again?
Monika? Has worked here for 2 years, Monika?
I'm sorry, did you just get transferred to this location?
This isn't funny. You know who I am. Nina! Tell them to knock it off! Show's over, guys. I'm over this.
I can't let you in here.
You guys are ridiculous. I literally have a name tag.
It's blank.
Ma'am, we're gonna have to ask you to leave.
I have proof. Vivian took a photo of me and Nina in the back the other day. Here it is.
Well?
This doesn't make any sense. I swear I was in this photo. What are you doing? I swear I work here. Check the employee records. Do something. I don't know. Check the cameras.
answering your phone. I called you like 20 times. The craziest thing just happened at work. I tried to clock in and then it wouldn't let me, so I just went straight to the back, but then Adam was like, no customers.
Do I know you?
No. I'm not doing this with you. You know me. I know you. I know your birthday is October 15. Your favorite show is The Real Deal and you hate Midas. You take all my pictures and we literally work together. Please, Josie, don't do this to me. Look, we're literally my lock screen. No. I swear I was in this photo. Come on, Josie.
I'm gonna call the police.
Fine. You want proof? I'm gonna get you proof.
Someone in there?
I know you're struggling.
Actually, yes. But I can't.
Models already? How about that one girl you liked from Fashion Week?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What?
Actually, I don't remember either. I don't remember either.
No.
We love you, Monika. Monika Bola.
Monika, you look beautiful.
coming up on The Real Deal.
Josie, please! I really need you right now! Josie, please! Ah!
It's not my fault that your line is failed.
Guys, calm down.
Shut up, Athena!
Your wine tastes exactly like you would. Foul!
You're so angry.
I'm done with this group. You're all fake-ass wannabes who will never know real success. Oh, but I couldn't possibly leave without my free sample. You, Crystal, you. Get this f***ing camera out of my face!
Joining the Prowl Agency was the best decision I've ever made. It's a great way to jumpstart your career. As I have always said, take every opportunity you can, especially the little ones. After joining the Prowl Agency, my life changed forever. Apply today and your life will never be the same. Never be the same. Apply today and your life will never be the same. Never be the same. Never be.
Ambulance, fire, or officer?
Detective, FBI, CIA, anything.
911, what is your emergency?
My identity's been stolen and this modeling agency, and they're using my face and no one remembers me and...
Did you sign the contract?
What?
Did you sign the contract? Yes or no?
Yes.
There is nothing I can do, Monika. This is what you wanted. You signed the contract. It's